daw craving for sweets, then it's a sign that she is having a baby girl. Pero pag salty, she's having probably a baby boy.
Oh, sige. 1 point sa boy.
1 point sa boy. Ako kay dili siya hilig ko garlic karon. Pag air fry lang po ka na marinated na karne.
Garlic.
Si Madam!
Si Buta ni mo.
Pero dala musta. So ano na lang. Diba siya mood swing kay isa naman yung mood ariyan.
Ano na siya talaga? Wala na siya. Standing na siya sa boy.
So ano kaya?
Reveal di or ikaw ang ma-reveal na niya.
Is she glowing or the other way
No!
Aboy! If your complexion is bright and your hair resembles that one Pantene commercial, then probably you're having a boy. So if glowing siya, then boy. Pero if the other way around, then girl. So 3 points na kang girl. Sa inyo mapansin sa tiyan ni ate. Low or high?
High.
High means girl, low means boy.
High na! High na! 4-4.
If your heart rate daw, if during your next ultrasound, pay attention to your baby's heart rate.
138 yung
138. If that little ticker is beating faster than 140 beats per minute, then get ready for a baby girl. Since 130 man, it's the boy. Team boy, but I'm also team girl. So kato, regardless sa sex, I'm definitely alright. And for the future baby, hi, I am your one and only uncle. You can call me by Tete, and I am your mother's brother. And I am very happy at this very day na we are about to find out what you really are, kung girl baka or boy. And for my ate and my brother-in-law, Kuya B-Boy, I'm very thankful na kamo duha jud ang nagdayon in the end. And very much happy now na nasundan na jud si Yana. And Yana prayed for this actually. Just a backstory, when we had our trip in Cebu, there's this bell. And then Yana and I made a wish. And then one of the wish nga gi-wish ni Yana kay is to have a baby girl. So let's try to see if baby girl nga. Please continue falling in love with each other. If na may problema, try to talk things out. Either way, nalang man may diri. Always.
Prediction nako is lalaki, pero nag-pink ko to support Yana. So, we all witness how you tried manghuran si Yana. It is one of the times na you can truly say it is worth the wait. Seeing how you raised Yana, I know you will also shower this new bundle of joy with all the love you can give. We are all here for you. Just ingon lang kung kano sa mag-babysit.
So ang among prediction sa second baby nila, lalaki. Kung masipyat man mi, okay ra gihapon kay gasa na sa Ginoo sa amuang pamilya. Ang among mensahe sa magtiayon nga padayon ang ilahang pagminahalay sa usag-usa, pagsinabtanay, kung naamay mga pagbingkil-bingkil dapat ma-resolve dayon, no? Ma-resolve dayon, boy or ma-resolve dayon nga continue gyud na be prayerful always, no? Nga simba gyud kada Domingo kung mahimo imahal ka namo.
To B-Boy and ARA, siguro you have to strive more for now because you have another baby to come. Good luck sa inyo. We are just here for you and to Yana. Hello, welcome baby boy or baby girl. Thank you.
Girl.
Good health.
Good health. I love you, mommy and daddy and baby girl.
Congrats sa new blessing. So I pray na you will continue to be a good parent to both Yana and to new baby. Another blessing, another responsibility, pero kabalo ko nga kaya na ninyo. Good luck, God bless, and I'm always here to support both of you. Also the baby and Yana. So ingat.
Dubai was very hot. We hit the dot. But it got the best shot. Hence, X marks the spot. The clue, best shot.
Boy.
Basta, wala pa. Basta ka picture frame. Picture frame, okay. Tama ka na. Ay, magpaano ko. O sige, Dad. X marks the spot. There is a shot. So, Dad, i-open. I-open.
Uy, murag ano lagi ni. Pero may panoy.
Tama pa lagi ko. Kayo na lalaki!
She's been longing to be pregnant. And finally, it's baby boy na. He's longing for a baby boy. So it's a win-win situation. Parang Kuya B-boy, the father of the new baby boy. To close. To close this episode.
Thank you sa nga nag-adto. Especially nga medyo lain ng mga hospital na ulihan man.
Kay?
Yung kato, nila to ako yun. Kung baby boy, okay. Kung girl ko, okay. Kung
Mas okay na ka boy shirt.
baby boy man.
Mas okay kayo.
Okay kayo. Salamat.